Hey guys, and welcome back to Cuber Time. And today we will be playing Egg Dog Fighters. Creator of Egg Dog Fighters, Toast. Big fan of this game, and you should really play it. So also you can put your dares down for my OCs down in these comments if you want to. Big shout out to Toast, big shout out to Dolphin Ruler, and let's just start playing Egg Dog Fighters. And I really love it if you guys would like, subscribe, and share the video. Really share and subscribe because I get more views. Okay, so let's start Egg Dog Fighters. Okay, so I use a grenade launcher tool. So let's start playing. Okay, so basically the point of this game is to capture the other team's flag and bring it to yours and defeat your enemies. So I'm just gonna try Oh, I didn't know that. No, creator versus player. I killed the creator. Wait, was Toast on my team? I think Toast was on my team. Frick. Well, that's okay, because monkey. A dog in the sky. He's sad. I don't think Dolphin Ruler is on my team. Die! Dolphin Ruler, die! Die! Just die! Die already! You know what? I'm gonna zoom in. Dang it. So please put your dares down in these comments if you want, but if you want to put them in the other videos where you meet my OCs, you can. Oh shoot, I just killed Chicky again. But free for all! Oh shoot! Dang it! There's summoning demon? No. Yes, run away from the monkeys. Okay, so I think this is a blue team's tower. No, it's not. Okay. Screw Dolphin Ruler! Oh shoot, I killed both of them. Stop. Okay. Hey guys, to promote this game even more, there's a little secret that you should see. I don't know if he wants me to show it. And he killed me! It's Cubert, not Mason. Cubert. Never call me my real name. I'm gonna hide behind the tree. Mason killed green. Who is green? Boom. Bam. Hey! Come in here! Haha. Dance on haters. Oh wait, Ticky's not on my team. Or Dolphin Ruler, so I might as well just try and kill both of them. It's just me solo. Evil Mason? No! Wait, no! No! Hike is Sussy Baka! Toast is Sussy Baka! Yes, Toast Sussy Baka. Toast Sussy... Dolphin Ruler Sussy Baka. Dance on Dolphins. Or dab on Dolphins. Sabotage! Yes! Yes, Toast, all along. I was the imposter. Yes, Toast, all along. I was the imposter. And now, I will sabotage you and Dolphin Roller. Forever! That was crazy. Alright. Let's continue. Also, I need ideas for some of my OCs and what they should do. And I'm currently making a video. I'll just give you the name. No, you'll just have to wait. Wait, no, Rhino the name. No, wait, how red team went? Oh, right, I didn't capture any flag. Okay, I'm gonna try and do this now, actually play it. And you guys will finally see how to actually play this game. Also, another thing, you should go, if you have Roblox on your phone, tablet, computer, laptop, any device, you should come and play this game. It's underrated. Okay, so... Alright, so let's continue, boys and girls. I said yes. Like, man. Die! No! Get away! Die! No! You know what? I'm just gonna capture your flag. You know what? Yeah! I'll just capture your flag. Yes! Let's go! Let's return. Flag returned. And I'm about to... Oh shoot. Can we get the flag? Get the flag! And like, just go. You see, guys? This is how you actually play the game. And don't get killed! What you have, the flag, it's very important not to get killed! No! I fell in the water. Okay. I can still do this. Without being killed. Yeah! Without being killed. Oh, shoot. Yes! I'm about to do it. Die! Yes! That's what you get! You suck! What? You suck! No! Noob! Yes! No! I shall not die! A dog save me! I call myself pretty good at this game. I call myself an average, but not a god. Tiki is the true god. Another shout out to Toast and Dolphin Ruler, even though Dolphin Ruler is a noob! low health. Bail! Retreat! Wait, what? Huh? What? I'm going to capture the flag! Ah! Ah! Hershey, Ticky's about to kill me. Ticky's about to kill me! No! Yes or no? Yes! Okay, I don't get it. Okay. Yes, I Okay, I guess this is the end of the video. Bye, guys. See you later on Cubert Time. Dang it, they won.